And we're recording. All right, what's up, you guys? Let me try that again. What's up, you guys? We're doing some work on the Indian today. We're gonna put this exhaust on from Amazon. Let's see here. The name of the exhaust is the Handmo Shorty GP slip-on exhaust for 2015 to 2020 Indian Scout. They offer it in chrome, like I've got here, in black. It's a blow-through, so I don't know if y'all can see that well, but we're gonna be putting this on, getting rid of these quiet-ass cans. Then we're gonna go do a little ride, and we'll see how they do. So we're gonna start with this 15 and unbolt the exhaust clearance.
It looks something like this.
Let's see how it sounds. It's gonna be fucking loud.
Fire it up.
Yeah, those things quieted up quite a bit.
Oh yeah. Live long and prosper.
Let's see. Get the right keys out. Neutral.
That is so much louder, dude.
Alright, what is up, you guys? I know you just heard this loud fucking bike, but, oh, camera's in the way. I want y'all to hear it again. There we go, that's much better. This is almost as loud as Christian's bike used to be. Holy fuck. Holy shit, that's loud, guys. God, that sounds so good, though. That is so obnoxiously loud. And the bike feels so much lighter. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that is so nice. I'll tell you that much. I can barely hear myself think. Oh man. So yeah, we're the moto vlog that comes out after this, we're gonna go get some hibachi. I gotta deposit some money. It'll be a good day. It's Labor Day weekend. Holy crap. I did not realize how loud this is gonna be. That is definitely a GP exhaust. It's loud as hell, but it makes everything worth it. That is fucking loud, my dudes. I think that's louder than just without the cans. Andrew's driving my car behind us. Holy crap, this fucker's loud. I hope y'all can hear me. I really do. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck. Oh, good God. Oh, Jesus. Holy cow. And it's fucking hot, my guys. That's why I'm covered in sweat. I'm happy to be riding the bike. I'm going to be dry by the time I get home. Ooh. Nice. Yeah, I got an Indian, bitch. Come on, light change. There we go. Hi, fellow motorbikers. This is almost as loud as Andrew's bike was. Like, I literally cannot believe how loud this bitch is, you guys. Good Lord, that's fucking loud. Good Lord, you guys. I hope y'all enjoy this new loud exhaust. It sounds great to me. I will say that much. I don't know how it sounds to y'all. Y'all enjoy. You have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. And we'll see y'all on the next video.